Hello and welcome back. So in order to understand the next set of concepts related to fragments, you're going to create a new app, okay? And the app is going to look something like this. Basically, we are going to have two fragments in our app, okay? One fragment is going to display a list of employees, which probably will be a list of names. And on click of any of these names, the employee details will be shown in the second fragment. Okay, so as you keep on clicking different names, the employee details are going to show up for that particular employee. So we are going to create a new project to get started, and then as you can see, we'll create a couple of fragments and we'll understand different concepts related to fragments like backstack. What is a backstack? Then you have the concept of one fragment communicating with another fragment via an activity and stuff like that. So we'll understand deeper as we proceed in this set of tutorials. Okay, so to get started, let's create a new project. In your Android Studio, just click on Start a new Android Studio project. Okay, and we'll name this as Employee App. Okay, you can have a package name, you can have any domain like yourname.com or something like that. And once you have that, click on Next. Okay, so we are going to use API 17 that will support 86% of the devices, which is good for us. So we are going to do that, and you know, now sometimes you won't see the next button, like I'm not able to see that. You can either click on this and you'll start seeing it, or click on tabs. And let's create a blank activity. Okay, and we'll call this main activity. We are not still checking use a fragment option because we'll create a fragment from scratch and attach it to our activity. Okay, so we are going to see all the steps. So once you do this, you will have your project set up, um, and you can probably test it out in the emulator or using your phone like we have discussed earlier. So while I build this project and go to the next step, you do this parallelly and have the project open in Studio, and then we'll proceed to the next steps. Okay, so catch you in the next video then.